How's it going, everybody? Ben from Budget Pokemon here. I absolutely love Pokemon. I love it so much, in fact, that I collect things even outside of the trading card game or video games, as long as they feature Mew. So what I have here is a package all the way from Vietnam that I ordered about 5 months ago. Now, if you're into custom keyboards like me, you might have already recognized the name of the inner envelope. If you're not, don't worry, I'm going to explain what this is. This is an artisan keycap, and the people over at Artisan Collector explain it perfectly. An artisan keycap is a miniature sculpt, typically handmade, that fits on the switch of a mechanical keyboard to add some flair. And this keycap will have no doubt a permanent place on my keyboard.